Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add subtitles on a video in Netflix. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to add subtitles on a movie in Netflix. Maybe because you're seeing a movie that is not in your native language and you don't understand the language, so you want to add subtitles so that you could understand the video or the movie, or it could be any other reason. So in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instruction in the description so you can check that as well. So first you just have to simply tap on the icon of the Netflix to open the app. Once the app gets opened, first you will read its title and after that you will see this interface. Right now we have to select a profile through which we can get into our videos. So your account might have more profiles than me or maybe have less profile than me based on how many profiles you have created on your account. So here I have 3 profiles. I can choose any one of these options. Likewise, you can also choose any of these profiles based on whatever you use the most. So here I will go with this profile. Once I tap onto this profile, it will open and then you will see a lot of content on your screen. Other than content, you will also see some options at the bottom and some of the options at the top. So if you want to add subtitles or maybe if you want to remove the subtitles, first we have to play a video and then we will see how we can add or remove subtitles from it. So here I have got this movie. Now what I'll do is that I'll play this movie by just tapping on the play option which is below the screen. Once I tap on it, the movie or you could say the series will start playing and then I will get the subtitles or maybe I won't get the titles based on if the subtitles are turned on or off. So here you can see the subtitles currently are turned on and if you want to turn them off or maybe turn them on, the procedure is same. First you have to tap on the screen and then you will see bunch of options on your below of the screen. So from these options we will be easily able to find an option through which we can add subtitles to our video. Here you can see these are the subtitles and if you want to remove it or maybe if your video doesn't have subtitles and if you want to add it, so here we have this fourth option, this one which says audio and subtitles, which is the fourth option. You just have to simply click onto this fourth option and then you will land here. Once you will get here, on the right side of the screen you will see the option of subtitles. Right now the subtitles are on, but unfortunately we have only one language available, which is English. So you can only choose the English subtitles, otherwise you can just turn it off. So here if I click on turn off and if I get back, the subtitles will be turned off and then you will see no subtitles on the screen. But if you again want to turn it on, you can also do that. So likewise, I'll play another video. In that movie, we will see how we can enable or disable the subtitles. So for that, we have to play a video. I'm going with this one. I'm just going to click on play. And once the movie starts playing, you will see the subtitles on your screen. The subtitles appear at the below of the screen like these ones. So if I click on subtitles, I will get a lot of options based on the languages. You can choose any one of these languages and you will get the subtitles according to these languages. So you can choose it or maybe you can disable the subtitles. It's all up to you. So right now the subtitles has been changed to the selective language. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add subtitles on your video in Netflix. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.